What's up, YouTube? Back at it with the Foxbody. My dog Tyson. My daughter, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Old school car over there. Anyways, my header bolts are coming out. They keep sliding out for the vibration and shit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm replacing them with these and some Allen bolts and some lock washers. So that's what I'm doing. I'm replacing that, man. So yeah, what up, bro? All right. My neighbors. So yeah, I'll get back at you, let you know how it goes, man. These are pretty hard to get off, man. So what it is though is it's a 10 millimeter. So it doesn't fit though. I was gonna use one of these, but these are too fat. So I gotta use a regular one. It takes a while to get out, man. These are pretty they're in tight spots. But yeah, I'll let y'all know how it goes, and then update you guys in a minute. All right, YouTube.